Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can merge multiple Microsoft Word documents into one. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So I have these three Microsoft Word documents. Now how can we merge this into one single document? Let's do that. So you need to open Microsoft Word, click on it under the best match. Then click on the blank document. Then here you will find all the tabs at the top. Click on the Insert tab, which is next to Home tab. Here you'll find Object. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose Text from File. And then we need to choose the location. So it is saved in my desktop. So we just need to select this. So all these three has been selected. Now we just have to click on Insert. And then you're good to go. So all the three files has been merged into one single file. We have Cinderella. We have Sleeping Beauty. We can also edit it from here. And we have the Snow White story. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.